A day at the park. Ducks crossing a stream. Kids playing in an open field. People feeding ducks from a bench. Cars passing by. A bird sits way up high. The scene is so serene, with kids playing in the playground. The trees grow tall and green. As the grass, the geese keep clean. It's quite a beautiful scene, something like from a dream. The geese swim round and round. It's a beautiful pond all around. The pond is green, and so is the grass. The trees yellow from the wind and its wrath. Two girls watch from afar. The sky is blue all around. Cars pass by. People in houses look out on the green. They know it's a beautiful scene. Everything is a beautiful dream. A day in the park. A day at the park. Ducks